Before Hartzell's Heat and Air, I took on the biggest project of my life. Sprint recruited me to help build a hardened long-distance switch in Fort Worth, Texas. They wanted me for my eye and my detail, so I was on that site every single day. Everything you are about to see is my own photos, in order start to finish. We started by digging, tearing out an old train depot gas station on the site. We pulled a whole cache of vintage Sinclair signs right out of the ground. Then the foundations went in, poured heavy in size for far more building than we were putting up that day. This place was built for the future from the very first shovel. The building went up hardened. 4 separate power supplies fed it. 2 of them came off the Fort Worth and the Dallas 911 emergency power grids, 14,400 volts coming in. Behind that sat the generators, the diesel, the battery bank, and big tanks of fuel and water, enough to run the whole building 60 days with the doors shut and nothing coming from the outside. Inside went the McQuay chillers and the Andover building controls, watched from Sprint's network operations center up in Kansas. And it housed the location system we called 12-star, precise enough to tell which pocket your phone was in. We had a federal deadline, October 1st, 2001, and we beat it. That same September, the towers came down. My Fort Worth building had a twin in Chicago, identical down to the light switch, and I knew it cold. On a carrier network, an outage is a federal event, and reliability is how a company keeps its biggest customers. Through all of it, we ran clean. 0 reportable outages. They told me that was because of me. Sprint built that place 20 years ahead of its time, with room for 3 more stories and 2 more chillers. Today it is a data center worth 9 figures doing exactly what it was built ahead of its time to do. The world just took 20 years to catch up to the building. Here is what it taught me, and it is the heart of how I run my shop today. You do not wait till it breaks down. You monitor it, you trend it, and you maintain it before it fails. That is mission critical work. It is the same care I bring to a furnace in Kingfisher as I brought to a switch for a national carrier. I'm Dave Hartzell. That was the project of my life, and this is the work I still do.